there he is. Hey bud, what's going on? Those are oregano leaves. Wow, the zoom on this is pretty good. You know what, I've got another piece of wildlife I can show you. What a cool guy. Okay, this one's gonna be real quick because I don't want to disturb anything. Can I focus quick? It's a little hummingbird. Come on, focus. There we go. Look at that little guy. Alright, I'm getting out of here. He's obviously begging for food. Yeah, once in a while it's good to just stop and smell the horizon for a little bit. What a gorgeous planet we have. So lucky. So awesome.